People are shopping for health insurance plans, and we know whether you're picking an individual or family health insurance plan, it can be quite confusing. So, UnitedHealthcare is now offering insurance plans on their marketplace in Arizona. And here to tell us more is Jean Callbacker. She is the CEO of United Healthcare Community Plan of Arizona. Great to have you with us. It is kind of confusing as we try to find the right plan for our medical needs. Why is now an important time for people to have health insurance coverage?
Yeah, good morning, Susan, and thanks for having me as well. And that is a really good question. We know right now the need for affordable, reliable, and accessible healthcare coverage is more important than ever, particularly due to the far-reaching impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic. More and more Arizonans are finding themselves uninsured. That might be due to a loss of coverage through their insurer, or a lot of younger adults are finding themselves aging out of their parents' health insurance plan. We know last year in Arizona alone, there were over 800,000 uninsured Arizonans, and that number had steadily increased for the past 3 years. And needless to say, that doesn't even take into account the impact of COVID-19. With so many people lacking coverage here in Arizona, our state needs more options like UnitedHealthcare. We are so very pleased that we can bring exchange plans that both provide an affordable and reliable coverage and also come with the years of experience, expert guidance, and support that United can provide.
That's wonderful. So, kind of break down what that exchange market looks like and what makes United Healthcare plans different from others out there.
Okay, well, let me start with the exchange. So a lot of people hear it called the health insurance marketplace, and it's where individuals or families or even small businesses can go to both shop and enroll in affordable healthcare coverage. What makes our plan so unique is we're now providing more options. As you may know, United Healthcare has been in Arizona for a really long time and has a great history of providing reliable and affordable healthcare insurance, and our exchange plans are really no different than that. For one of the options, we provide virtual visits at no additional cost to our members on the exchange, which we know is really convenient, like we're doing right now. And it's also a super safe option considering the impacts of COVID, Our plans also include zero-cost preventative care visits and low-cost prescription coverage that you can either fill at your local pharmacy or get via mail, so another safe option there. We have a great team that's just ready and willing to to take your calls and help people enroll in the plan that's perfect for them. Also, based on COVID, we know that the impact has driven a lot of people, like I said before, not to have coverage. And so having more options on the exchange is more crucial than ever. And at United, we believe that providing that affordable, reliable healthcare coverage is a right. And we're super excited that that comes along with our expert guidance and support.
Yeah. So, what do you want viewers who are watching this morning? What do you want the takeaway from our conversation to be as we narrow in on that enrollment deadline of December 15th?
Yeah, I want people to know that a lot of people out there are eligible coverage through the exchange. You have to be a U.S. citizen, or a national. You have to live in the U.S. and you can't be incarcerated, but also a lot of people, like we have a lot of members that are eligible either through Medicare or Medicaid. So if you call into us, we can offer you options to see if you're available for either one of those. Also, a lot of people out there have health insurance coverage through their employer group, and that might be a better option for them than the exchange, but they need to do that comparison themselves.
Perfect. A lot of information to digest. We know you guys are there to help us. Thank you so much, Jean. We appreciate you. We want to give all of you some more information. If you want to learn more about United Healthcare plans on the health insurance marketplace, please call 1-800-806-0451. For the hearing impaired, please dial TTY 711 or go to uhcexchange.com.